If the SD card is down or removed, the unit will not record. It is imperative that the SD card is up and recording data. In the event that an SD card must be checked or removed, please observe the following process. Before beginning this process, ensure the ignition is off and the unit is powered down. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the security bracket in order to expose the SD card port. Press gently on the exposed edge of the SD card. You will feel a click signifying it is ejecting. The SD card can now be removed and inspected. To reinsert, place the SD card label side up into the port. Again, slightly press on the exposed edge to engage the SD card. You'll feel a click.